Thomas and the Peva Tsanglolia, Nadu de Lishua. Bonjour.
I want to say good morning, first of all, to all of the people present here.
The Tsawashu, the one. The Cesar, that in the and Susilia, Susilin Galia, and the young Tinta of Chiliade. Cesar Woman in Azuta, Susti, and Mazu Pugilia, Missegita, Sona Sabrushion the Yare, Caresana. 아주 갸치로리아 뷰지 참보 망식 계급디 계급 안니브르디 수샤디 요래 제상 아주 수스키 더 미드스 미만 참으로 지금 아주 베베기 초분님 붙이려는 거지 주에 제상 다른데 토마 용투디 에 미스에 다가로에 가버총라 안들이 고급인데 뒨체 아주 더지 베베 초보 더지 수실이야 베베 보고 저거 참으로야 닌다버네 에 첨지 당 저시들 샤인
This is the first time now that I came to Switzerland, and in the past, actually, our Tibetan people have a special connection with Switzerland, since out of India it is the place where second most number of Tibetans and refugees live. Therefore, we can say that Switzerland is like we are like old friends with the Swiss people. Therefore, I'm especially happy today to be here the first time. And likewise, I want to say, welcome all the Tibetans and Tibetan friends and everyone here from the depth of my heart. Welcome and Tashi Delek.
안들이 지당기다 이제는 뒨체 안들이 지당다 유럽리아 더 계급 망부예비 인두산에 더 계급 망부지기 안에 용로치세제 지구치년 망부스타 용도 제산 가완조고에 가완조고면 타쳐야 돼 삼성 카브로시도 제자들이 난거를 묻히래 나는 아주 수시 된지 고난주에 토굴 신비어 토안에 엔데 지구 남비 인두산에 진짜기 녀렌의 댄체 안들이 유럽리아다 visit 팅 숨바디 갑리아 토마 스위스리아 용하지 들리지 고급 총부대 제자 디규전 댄체 안들이 나걸 붙이래 다는 스위스 된주에 고난 참으로야 고금디의 뒨체 도스거든체 수야이
And together with this, generally there's many countries in Europe, and many countries ask me if I can request me to come to their country, and so sometimes therefore it is difficult to decide where do I go, where do I'm not going, to decide that. And this time it was Namkar Rinpoche and the Swiss office of His Holiness Dalai Lama who requested me insisting to come a few times. So therefore now in my third visit to Europe is the first time that I came to Switzerland, and I want to say to Namkar Rinpoche and the Swiss office of His Holiness Dalai Lama, thank you very much.
안들이 딜리아 안들이 아주 시아디 가르다 the meditation meditation ji gom dang ji gong yam len ko le ya xie xie xia ru xie an de yang ge de xie xie ji nang sim gi da di gi se ne da do ya na nang sim gi xi di zun de ko le ya zhe shi di tuo ne ma xue ya ji re sha.
So the subject of today is about meditation, the practice of meditation, how to put into experience meditation practice, familiarize ourselves. So likewise, in connection with that, how to find the inner happiness, inner peace through the practice of meditation. So that's the subject.
Ji ting sang penada Google na ya ji search chebe ka ya search che yu sa ne ji Buddhism sa jo nambe chu lu sa de ki tsik di ji search chen yen dang yang ji meditation and dana sing ki mindfulness search chen yen di chang ma nyu da ji che yun du and di sang ji mindfulness and meditation dizu search chen samaro da ji dele tonan chen de mar jo de yebchi Buddhism sa di tsi de tonan chen de tos nyor jo de yebchi di cha de yore 제가 미망부지 사블에 나로래야 엔지 추루기 가르셔야지 디데다지 딩주루 디 다디 나로래야 슈야 근데 바시라 매브치 이비네야 야지 meditation 다 mindfulness 알 디즈익 토네 미세기야 지 가요 라요다 소외 나로래야 펜도 용디 예브치
So nowadays, actually, when you look at the Google search machine, those people who search for Buddhism, like Buddhist religion, or those who search like for meditation and subjects like mindfulness, when we compare the number of searches, then this, like most people are interested and searching for the words like meditation, mindfulness is becoming more, whereas those who search for Buddhism as a religion become less. So therefore it shows that many people don't actually want to like belong to any religion as such, but think that it is like beneficial, what meditation, mindfulness, whatever, they understand with it, feel that it is beneficial, therefore is more interest in that.
지당 남배기 아주 최난로리아 아니 지금 냠내 진에서 말다 디디 지당 난최의 만제베기 곰 사머베 딘제지 다지 용야여의 메사데 난최의 만제베 토네 곰 냠내 치아지 아니 남배기 왜네 난최의 만제베 곰지 시토그래다 말했어 딘제지 기지 제비미나 지당 다 남배기 마 가르르다지 최 롭종 제베 걸이야 마 종다 제베 걸이야 종다 제세기 다 미스는 자도 종다 제세기 유딜이야 다지 가르르다 리민자 가셰지 지 여와 대제미라 가셰체야래 다들은 교와서 기부숨스라고 그래 다 기부숨지제 리민자 가셰체야래 다 디나네 기부 충우들이야 아니 여와니에 체체 다 조의 패버를 지니에 체 다 조의 남주 다 남배게다 가서 traditional 서머베다지만 남주시에다 기부 담을 차려야 이내 기부 패버지 기부 충우 패버지어라 다디 남주시라 쉬어 말해 다디 가르스다나 조다지 첸딜이야 되니 첸디 지불이야 되니 외된게 tindichi rigirbichi pachi yongde yarbichi chezang di gyunzel dene namgyu delia emphasize ribicheche ngazu delia jongda dea tolia misek tonar kechi gamare yimren da tinsan tuzulia tindichi de kansa rig tindilia energy komnyamle chedanda 로전 대단 디지털 emphasize 제거 하르비치 아주 상당히 통고래.
So generally in Buddhism, when we talk about Buddhist Dharma, the teachings, when we talk about meditation practice, then we don't actually say, like, talk about meditation or practice a part of Buddhism. Like, so if you ask, is there like a practice of meditation a part of Buddhism? So, like, generally in Buddhist Dharma teachings, we talk about different kinds of people, different kinds of practitioners when it comes to the training of them. So, generally we speak of the 3 types of beings, or the 3 kinds of beings with different capacities, and so which is like the lower, higher, and medium capacity, the lower, medium, and higher capacity. So those of lower capacity also we can divide it into 2 types, like the principal one and the general one, ordinary one. So the principal one is the one how we explain it usually in the Buddhist teachings. Now for the ordinary one, it is actually not explained in the Buddhist teachings, but mainly these are people who only are interested searching the purpose or the fulfillment or happiness in this lifetime. And due to this, then so far the Dharma has not made much emphasis to train them, to teach to these people. But now that as we see that there is like more and more people need these teachings, so we start to see that there is also a need to emphasize, to train these kind of people.
Commercial purpose charge Benadaji yoga Chimina Daji Pajita commercial purpose charge those Yondi Yare Chezan Kora yoga ancient traditions somewhere Nerubki Yogi Tendadabdi and Shida Mabchi Daji Mancheji Sonze sort of those charge Shida Korang Rintan value Shida Mabchi to Shadi Yare Chezan the Mambalia energy meditation sad and mindfulness sad the Gidi Binayachi, Sonze sort of charge. Munetine the Korangi traditional values and Adado Yana, Korangi and things Samuki, tuning of the Laki, Yanga, Yudevici, Sustongu.
Generally, nowadays everything becomes very like commercial. Everything becomes something to be sold, to sell, and make some money out of it. Like, for example, if you take the example of yoga, like it's not really yoga has become something like to sell, that is sold to people, that is used for commercial purposes, and it's not something that where they really get to the meaning of the ancient tradition of yoga. So not so much. And likewise, we so it's not seen really the actual value of these traditions. Likewise, with meditation and mindfulness has become something for commercial purpose, something to be sold. And I think if we don't get to the traditional value, I think it's in danger that we lose the profundity of these teachings.
Shize gom gyadam chik ngazu namgyu chi lunglia sim sinje gom gyadam chi ukchungumlia sim ten gom gyadam chi yondi yore tadi ngarang ge ngone shebina di dis kashwe chochi ne the mengshi de chade basic de chade yore an dana shingi mengshi zamdu ma sebegi and delia da kashwe ji the main beijing go ba ge zero sha yue de ji tong yue.
So therefore, when it comes to meditation, there are like many different kinds of types of meditation. So like a basic meditation that we do is to observe our breath as it goes in and out, as we breathe in and out, to meditate on that. So for me, it is like from one side, I can see it is really like a foundation for meditation, a basic, very foundational practice of meditation. And on the other hand, I can see it is something, it's not just like a foundation or a preliminary.
Tadrindu, I shamlia, the gomdi, Chidangi, Tadi gomdi ngus machi konliang councilia, Arangi sonar which is to shy. Tadi caresana. Tingilia and Aji Chilolia, the Ades, Dharamsalalia, the Dharamsala Tilije, Teliada, the Marandes da Combati, or Gudu Combas, Lagore. Chezan, Gudu Comlia, Samsam, Tuju Shumbe Coblia, and Gudulia Combalia, Chilo, Cora gives Truare. Chezan, Nimachi Chirulea, and Gudu Combalia, and Corachi Gachibi, and the Lusa Namsi de Yavusto, Long de da Corre, Lung Siburuchi, Transisiruchi, and the Lusan that is come Tamburuchi, Takandade, Namsi de. Yaoche Winzan di Kam Tambur Chaso. Chizan Kup di Dusane, Lurudu Daji Suji Semlia, Sonar Karchomresana, Oji Kup di Dusane and Rodebe Kablia, U Njumuchi. Yondi Win Telia, Ranshinki Ma Sem Chigima Kajreda Sem Huller Pachi and the Sem. So
before I go into actually like teaching about this, or instead of teaching this meditation, I want to show you, like share with you some of my feelings, experiences I had one day. Like my monastery is near Dharamsala. It's not really in Dharamsala. It's nearby. It's the Gyutu monastery. And sometimes when I find time, so then I go out to make a circumambulation. So one day I went out to do this circumambulation, and the weather was really nice, and the air was cool, fresh, not cold. And so as the weather and everything was really nice, my whole state become really awake and relaxed. And like suddenly I had this feeling that to just naturally watch my breathing, my in and out breath, and my mind became very relaxed.
And Ranshingi Semlia, the year Sonarchi, Ranshin ranking Angi, Yondarchi. Ocarasana, the other Jani U Ben Jumub Cheje, Kandar Ugua Majib Cheje, Tinaji, Yedevdi, when a Monsar Chamberchi, Tang Yanachitang Azu Chugger, Shevin, gave us Sambaruchi, Tinaji of Sambaruchi, Tinit Sorich to Skeso, the Train to Sana, and Ranshingi. Mise Dange. Bezu can chair or Marti, even a Ranshingi, that is Digi Sona, Senadando, Yana, contentment of Chokshe, Choshebe, Sovaruchi, Nizi Rangangi, Yondi Yabachi, Nizi Nozo.
So naturally my mind was kind of filled with happiness, and I had this feeling of happiness naturally, and I thought, this our breath in that the fact that we breathe in and out is something like very marvelous. So if it's say actually from according to the Dharma, it's something we're very fortunate to have it. And as I just let the breath naturally inside me, without having to make any special effort, some happiness or contentment arose within me.
제상 아주 삼을 담이나다 다데 아주 뒤름들이야 간다 지 가수에 consumerism the shushim buye de chik tin ji tu ji chari yare chesa andaji aje television de binare chaba lo binare andana sing aje ki penaji ta internet da dana laba kuya ka phone da kanji tholi bine ta kanda advertisement ji mo sta ye de chi kanda aje greed somewhere with us debati shu cher ba arji ta diji ki ta kana disruption sta ye de chi ki tuji cha de yares jezang kam din de tuji ya nga je ta ji contentment san da do ji choshik ya ji mi se ki ta ji tonan che kwa arji ta energy nga je de ya If
we look at our time now, actually, then we can see that our consumerism, the way how we consuming has become really strong. Whether we watch the TV, whether we read the newspaper, or we go on internet, or we hold our cell phones, see the advertisements, then all these aim to make our desires stronger, to our wants and needs, to increase them. So therefore I think it has become a really disturbing time now in which we live, and also therefore in this time I think it's especially needed and important that we are interested in how to develop more contentment, and I think it is very important to do that now.
다지 수술 전부를 체지 드지기 다 간다 지 초시사도 영화 갈아 합시야 제가 디지 오늘 정다르 체지 수술 심리야 정다르 체지 아니人心 기지 다 간다 지 가주다 제베스는 장도 야나 지 랑기 랑기 에너지 가르 심리야 지 초시베 초와르지 레베 제제 드리지가 토안에 내 소소리아다 간다 더버침버르지다 인구르지 요하가 베즈 자직 차대가 something.
But when we talk about contentment, then it is not something that we can force to have. I think it's rather difficult to force it, to have it. Rather, it's something we need to train in. We need to train our mind in that, so that naturally, we have some joy, happiness within ourselves, naturally coming some natural contentment with us that has to come from within. I think then we can have less desires and feel like having everything we need all the time.
랑심 데베왕도 마당와치샤 랑심디 지 오늘 수수의 기능에 다지 컨트롤 차르비다 수수의 기타 칼큐도 버지 근데 충분히미나 아니 시내 가수에 더버침버스는 다도 지 초시버지 용토야 좋아요스.
So also not falling under the power of our own, the desires of our own mind, just letting whatever comes into our mind follow that, but being able to control our own mind. If we do like this, then I think we can have fulfillment of our desires, like having a lot of contentment and little desires.
당고에서 공고를 시야라 지단다 당분에리아 캬주슈알리아 마신 아란두지 비네 곰레스타 가준 곰레 냠뇽 연게 드지 저거 말해 미마버지 알이야 스도 안제 그냥 니마다버시 가수다지 프로그램으로 니마다버시 제가 기타 가수래 다 프로그램 세나면도 다들 가수다 스케줄을 가르쳐 드리기도 제가 고소 정보로 봐 가르치기도 내 가르치기도 같이 현대 예배자 안 샤베 가들는 거요 공다 가들니 칼라 가들서요 다들 저도 현샤도 되어 봐 shobe de lange kala de so yes ta ine samsa gom gadi ge yes gom gadi ge yes de on de ji 가르에 삼동 권연을 비치고 가르에서는 남진 검시다 저거 말아. 대지단 지게도 저버지 검 아주 최제도 검시 비교도 뒤주든다. 아주 다 마스터도 검시다 저거 말아. 제가 검 거두게에서도 다 삼삼대 미세 검자 뒤주면서 다 임비네 아니 남준에 지거 가르지 내가 간지지 로자년도 가르쳐베 내가라 검 겨도 따가지게 예사제 계속 ዝ부르시아제 다들 인도산에 다디 소르지 제가 된담이야 검 토리아 냠뇨시라메 직는 인장 아니 아버지 쇼트야 내가 하브르지 도 the yimbi now Kashre Yanata Dring as a Nyamdo Chikashre Chojin investigation of Chechita and the Nyamdo Chota Chena the Dripchik Char
So then when it comes to the actual meditation, I have to say that first of all myself, I'm not really somebody who has a lot of experience in meditation. Many people ask me, Your Holiness, what is your schedule, your daily schedule? Saying like, when do you get up in the morning? When do you eat? When do you have dinner? When do you go to bed again? So this is easy to answer, but sometimes they ask me, so when do you meditate? And then actually I really have to start thinking. It's not so easy to answer that question, so which shows that I have not so much like a specific hour. I don't have a specific hours of time that I practice meditation, where as many of my Western friends, they do practice many hours of meditation. So therefore I'm not meditating generally so much, and sometimes I do say, when somebody asks me, when do you meditate? I do say, I don't have any special time, but I meditate. I try to generally stay in meditation in all my activities as I walk, eat, sleep, or sit down, kind of talking very like impressive. But in fact, is some what shows what I wanted to say. I don't have really much experience of meditation, therefore I'm not really able to tell you. But anyway, as we are here together, so I will tell you whatever I know.
다 도마저 검게베 걸리야다 간다 가수에 다 남주가서 지 검게베 걸리야다 지 가수에 컨디션 기지만 딱 간다 차기엔 튕기엔 정보를 가시 줘래 다 있는다 망부지 시험하지 다데 조지데 다 당부지 류근 독단으로 되게 개심지 임자 이나데 그냥 아주 시험하지 딱 가다를 조디다 류근 독단으로 돼 망부지 도디 내가 조디 간다지 셈지 hlöle 차리야 아니 수부대지 가르에 지 정법수 샤제 다 간다 지 hlöle 차로디 개심으로 시작되어다 시즌에 가르지 바지딘데 이메라 때문에보다 니주 지 류근 도단토를 망부지 하래 되네데 얘는 슈마고세.
Generally, when we talk about meditation, then there's many like circumstances we need to support the meditation. Like, for example, there's the body physical postures, and there's like a lot of explanation on that. But I'm not going to go into that. Mainly, about the physical posture. In order for the mind to be relaxed, it is important to stay in a natural way, to live everything in a natural way. I think that's like a foundation, an important foundation. Other than that, there are many explanations on which physical posture to take and so forth, the different points, but I'm not going to explain that.
다 우중업 사대 다 지당 우중업 사대 남경 아주 검게도 사는 다 간다 셈 desarabchida semdebe nyambar jogsarabchi yana ji semdeba lulu shasarabchi ji ta miyudubchi migdenubchi skoare ta di yashuru ding anzu ujungubdi or udi kadui nang anzulia yueberchi de sardo jingazu 가르다 소과르비다 삼동과르비 저기와마레 대전신기 안줄이야 다 렌즈도 유에버르시 민두산에 나 텔레야 셈대체 마저 르르샤데 데라브르치 차데요르 섬탕도.
So therefore, when we talk about the meditation, meditating on our breathing, on our breath, our breathing out, it's something generally when we meditate, we use it as a support for our mind to focus on, for our mind to rest on that, so that the mind can become relaxed and open. So we use it as a support for the mind. But therefore the best support we have our breath, as it is always together with us. We don't have to find it new or bring it from somewhere to us. It is always naturally together with us. Therefore, I think it's the best support for our meditation to make our mind more relaxed and open.
And that reshamlia, President Dishayaman, that's homology, ma Kashreji, take similar to Cheche, Hanaju Sobodis similar to Cheche. Takanda make zum near Jigdo, Anaji Migma Nazil Bede, Summerbe, Naziteki Panala, Dana Jigdo Kanda, Cheche, the Nijik Tone, and the Ningema, she Gom Captanovich, the best Shun Dusane, Shuban Shinki, and Council Cheddar of Cheche, Nyamdo, G. Gom Jabisierish, those dying.
So now what we're going to do is all of you leave your body relaxed, leave your mind relaxed. You can either close your eyes or you can look down the direction of the tip of your nose into the empty sky. Leave your eyes just resting there without looking at anything specifically. And as you do this, then I will explain you the meditation, and we can do the meditation all together here now.
I can answer that. 지 도마지 수수 생문한데 지 텐션으로 다는 신기 에너지 가르레 지 데베 니줄리아 삼다다 망베 니줄리아 듄수야로 텐데지 넘버 더 바담 제바 레시바 참조로 제제 에너지 수수기 다가나다 다대기 다 간다지 모멘트 서버 대가랑 털이야 마치 르르지 샤르지 되지 배주치라서 쉬어요.
And as you sit like this, you look into your mind. If you have any tension, relax whatever tension you have and bring to an end following after thoughts of the past. Also don't invite any thoughts of the future. And just rest in the present moment, in the present moment like this. Be relaxed.
And it's them the lulu chain to san ranshinki kandarji ji nangdo karb choache. And namgunji azu choa shira tona shiraya miliarb dizulia and jik tona learabji. Benazu ugumjungu the namgun azuda ugmaudandiare. The iminise, you would think you have son of sketchy or manner, Taimine, and some benefit huge Gubina. And did you send that or Jeta? Move me said time to do Shimata, Namjusta Hakumare. Chesa, though the dish and Nansam chain to San and the Kanda Unjung Hotel. Unjung Chiki of a share. There is younger sometimes.
So as you stay with a relaxed mind in this way, then naturally the movements of thoughts will come to rest. And now when we direct our attention to the breath, because usually the breath is something we don't pay much attention to, We are always breathing all the time, but we are not very much aware of it. We are not paying much attention to it. Only when for example, if we get exhausted, we might breathe or specifically in a certain way. Otherwise, we don't usually pay much attention to it. So now all of you, please direct your attention towards your breath as it goes in and out, just without doing anything special to it.
Telegas Batisem Shiru Judusane, and Yanji Uya Muvia Jikche. And the nation based into my Chikara Uma Dar Chiche. The nation Takanda Ji Unjum Sosur Cheche, somewhere. Move the Hakwa Chi, awareness Yuaji. I am a Tamtalia, awareness Yuaji. This is Kaliji, and something. Already in Dusane, Yan Jagata Chi Satchel summer which Chi Unjumti Jumupsad, Tujil Yomarwa, Jeza, the day of detention, Kashutaji, Yunguivichi, Telia some teatrisha.
So as your mind becomes relaxed and you watch your breath, you naturally how the breath comes in. And then naturally how it flows out. So you are aware of as it flows in, you're aware of that. And as it goes out, you're aware of that as well. And as the mind becomes more relaxed, the breathing will become also more subtle and longer. So you just pay again attention to that.
Koran Yunji Ukandistung Yavina, the Jumbo Korangi, Kandis Yunguyana, Ranjing Kar Yunguyabina, and the Ting on the Tasha Matabea, Susuki, and the Simgibi, June, and Uktilia, Miseki, Bezur Cheche, or Utanochi, Miseki, Bezur Tona, and Miser Tonach, the Jay Bezu Hancha Homaras. So Takanda, Umang Mubati. Hako. Unang dong baya hako. The day jeje par majeba rang simki. Chik chembe gun the ma denche. And Kashre mutu in ji simde Kashre shiva nearushi, besucharashi.
And when you breathe, just let your breath flow naturally as it comes naturally in and out. You don't need to change your breath, you don't need to do anything special to it. Just without any effort, let the breath come in and go out. Just be aware as it comes in, be aware of it as it goes out, be aware of it, and leave your mind, let your minds continue rest on that continuous breathing in and out.
And Dana sing as Utan Bekalian, Susu Semki, tension of Dana Sinki, Kashuradaji, Madeva of Shia, take it some law, Utan Bekalia, Benaj Luna Sinchi, Susu Semti, then she goes out of time made heavy remember Yangbo. And Dana Sibi, Luna sing Yambo Yedevicida, Luna sing smooth Yedevich, the Niji sometimes. Ma tang be kablia u ma u na dong be kabli ne lung de nyam tu lung de ta yang ba tang da na sin ki smooth ye de na sin ki su su sem de bi ne energy dashing yang ba tang da na sin ki smooth ye lung na sin na do ngu du sa ne kan da ji tu ri me de sa na da do gang go me de ji in Beswatang, Samata. Tanash Matang Bekalina, Tana Shinki, the very smooth summer, but that in the G, Teleaji, disruption which I made, which didn't sometimes have used some tangles.
Likewise, as you watch your breath coming in and out, if you feel any tension or unhappiness, unwellness in your mind, then just like the breath, as you watch your breath, as the breath comes in and out, think that our mind is like very light, very smooth, like the wind itself, like the air that we breathe in. And as the breath comes in, and just like this air is light and smooth, also your mind is filled with happiness and smoothness and lightness. And as you breathe in, out again, then again, naturally your mind, without having like being up or down or back and forth, just naturally your mind becomes very smooth and light. I think to do like this is good.
That in the cheche, to zudi, that some kashi changa yarb in the yard. And Jima Tang Yang, that ji ni sumshi, that changa yarb de Chikashre Changa Gebje, ji Kuban Yuzaji Padulia, Changa Gebne, the Niji Semze, the the yard. That is Susu, Missus, the Kebar of Chiondia, Takashi Changa Jamne Yava, and Kashi Changa Majune, Kanda Kranji, Kaze ne Tudur, Tindijing Alba Sha, Yang Mesukeb, Yang Yang Gorman Gozuche. And Mutunia, the Deche, Kashwata, Chism Neg about this about the Shasha, that the Kaba on the years, that the Kasasusu Kebar Shesha.
So as you do this, then for a time, the duration to do that, some people they count like each breath and out breath, in breath as one, and count like this until 21. So depends on each person, each individual. For some it might be better to count, others might be better, feel more relaxed to do it without counting. However, we should do it until as long as you can rest on that breath. You should stay on it, and when you feel like now you're not resting on it, you're not abiding on it, then you make a short break and then you go back to meditation.
That the gomde and quiet energy tender with some donde to do mise Kashura that quiet in a chechar Spanish Legunaline and to do Gama Jinijig Narolea and Dinga to Chechwach. But it's also same day, Leonarolea, same day, and dates Chicasure Tuburucha, and then it's just some Brucha, the Shebe Colia, Yan Taralea, Jig, Tindevita, Gomber Chase, Jisaman, Jiclushar, the Chumbina. And then she cavarchi or something to Dana Singi, Yan some of Jig, number Tandro. Tindelia, Niji, Bear Jurum Goose, Tindejig Yang, Semlia, Yang Madero Chumbecolia, Captidusana, Desert Zedelia, Rudu Shache, Sembler Cheche and the Chevine, and the Pazicavar or something of those. Tak Handarian, did with the Gom Chadi, idea which may be Cheche, the Unetnetaji. Susu Mizina la Peju Yebe tool of Lajaruji Chak, the ditching out to Peju Dongwadi, catch Mishare something of those. A laboratory de Aji, Susu the meditation room of the Dichibo may be Cheche. And that Deji Padi, Tidribinyam land about Kije Daji Kuyu Kandijili Mindic Debanyam Lende and Kadarji Peju Shade, Kesum something.
So this meditation is like when it comes to do this meditation, you don't need to have any special time of the day to do it. You can do it anywhere whatsoever, even in your office. You can do 1 or 2 minutes to do this meditation. When you feel like in your office, you feel like you're disturbed or your mind is agitated or not well, then if you do this meditation or watching the breath, and then I think your mind will become relaxed and it will be really different. Likewise, if you, for example, sometimes at the airport and you need to wait for a long time for your flight, and if your mind then becomes agitated or not so well, then if you do again this meditation, again it will help you to have a more relaxed mind and it will make a big difference, I think. So therefore I think we should, however we do it, not consider meditation as just a good idea, but to see it as an important tool in our life, and more important even so, use it, this tool. Likewise, don't just meditate in your meditation room, but wherever you are, like, use this practice as a tool. To use it, I think, is very important.
다들 이게 다 르르시는 뜻이다. 다 미세 가셔야한테 그저 공개하되 무무튼 공개했네. 다들 그냥 상으로 르르시는 뜻이래. 다들 아주 더리게 운중업이야 섬대야디 직디 안 가르스나 다가나 아주 우리야 섬대 인도사네 안 간다 지금 아주 무비하다 옥시전 섬으로 다디 우디 안에 소설 연구배하체 치료네 안에 정중기 다지 지신나서서 근데네 용대야 지시기야래 다대야 우听지 말에 아니 무디 무티는 당고야래 아니 옥시전 섬으로 소롱디 무티니 아니 지금으로 최고 예배 인도사네 다디 무티니 지금 아주 지금 드리셔야 되버디 정신기 근데 삼다연 두산에 아주지 정신기 semlia 저지 소소다지 existing somewhere 초대버디 초대버디 우리 원살게 버르지당 에지 가외바 가와게 버르지 그리지랜도 와 섬버르지 그리지 정신기다 간다 semlia 지 디기 전화로 시원돼야지 들으시원해도 제가 디균전대네 한 대양 정하죠야 우군중업 그냥 단기디 쉬는 신들이야 셈대지 냠내 체는디 타마들이야 한 들으지기 양 가와로 거마당 다는 신기 셈을 쪼야로 들으지 총비네 yap시라 용면으로 섬정도.
So you can also now relax. It's not that you have to continuously now meditate, practice anything special. If now you are relaxed, that's okay. So now the mind, the breath, when we direct our mind on the breath, then we can see the breath. What is it for? Actually, it is for us to have oxygen, and the oxygen is not coming from us, but is coming from nature, environment, our environment around us. And also we cannot just breathe one time and that's it, but it's like we have to continuously breathe without interruption. And so when we see like this, then naturally in our mind we will have like a feeling, seeing like actually the fact that we are alive, that we have this breath, it's something marvelous, it's something really quite amazing. And naturally some joy arises in our mind. So therefore, when we do the practice of directing our mind, the breath, I think is good in the end. Then when you feel naturally having some joy and some like rejoicing and happiness that you have this breath, and you feel relaxed and you're happy that you have this, I think this is very good.
근데 디사도 줄이야다 추디즈에 장모를 토야 돼 가보시라 치도와 당원의 전 제비네 엄마가서 추토야 예비들 미세기디 하 레버다 항상버지 그냥 아주 춘춘급이야 너지 추장모를 통대야래 너지 추토야 예비디 지 하 레버다 항상버지 인상버지게 추장모 통야 예비디 되지 하 레버지 인상버지게 챙겨야만해 다 이번 디사 아주 야갈이야 대백걸이야 엔지 추 마버지 잡아차체 엔지 추장모 토야 돼 거거 주요 인두산 디기 지 추장모 토야 요디 오늘 야지 삼당 셰위미나 다 대야지 가수에다 셈 에지 가와게 버르시트리신 베소르지 안다나 신기 엔지 air pollution da energy gyanare gyare disulia shushim shtayon de yare jeze ben suslia hol rejing da ji kashwe air pollution zui mebcheche kadaji shtayon de do kashwe da ji kamtamro shtayon de do jezan de su samdan du sane en rejing da kadarji kashwe de samdan du sane 제상 아주 남규 당기 권수변의 시는 아주 우중업 차대 안데 남규지 차겐 지지당 내당으로 진비인자 대지 하레버로 지당 상으로 진배증 아주 전화롭게 기기야만 따이미는 처치는 삼담비미나 따 대응원에 지금 원서게 버르지 된지 임베진 민두사나 안들지 토안에 간다지 수수기 간다라 가주에 지 디기스야디 따지 녀르 사브르지 마임치지 디기스야디 be very simple san mara ta ordinary ben simple de 토안에 안 디기냐 여드지 들지 삼도한테 계속 미스를 삼정해요.
For example, if we talk about like water, clean water, nowadays it's more and more difficult to obtain clean water. Like in the past when I was in Tibet, I always had very pure, clean water. And I never thought that it is something special, the fact that I am drinking clean, pristine, delicious water. But now that I live in India, the clean water is getting more and more scarce. And therefore I'm thinking, the fact that I drank water once is something really actually amazing. Or when I get clean water, I feel like special joy that I can have it. Likewise, we have the air pollution, and like in, again, China, India, there's a lot of air pollution. Whereas, for example, in Switzerland, it's naturally quite clean. The air is quite clean and joy to breathe it. So if you don't think about it specifically, it doesn't occur to us something special, but we notice then when we don't have it anymore. And likewise, with our breathing, which we do always, we don't think actually that it is something like really amazing or something really marvelous. But when we look at it in this way and get aware of it, then I think it becomes like doing this meditation. We see that it's something that is always together with us and that can give us happiness in a very easy way. Happiness doesn't have to come in a very difficult or complicated way, but just abiding on the breath, staying in that, thinking in this way, I think we can feel it, we can have it. So I think it's important also to observe it in this way.
다들 비심이라 음식이 주지 샤가바도 샤워를 사대 다 칼라가버시스다 데 사와시비도다 주지 샤가바도 아주 별이야 거의 별이야 데디스는 안다 주지시라 통하여 맞다 같이谢谢래 니만 샤네 슈슈바도 谢샤 저거다 다들 인두사는 들 버지 데르식 쇼베들이야 미세다 가주래 당기 고도 주변의 신기 간다 지 곰 냠네 chen 딱 간다 지칸 나도 처베스네 장도 야나지 가르에 칭외벽이 장강래 바 같이 들으지 마세ብ지제 안 칸나도 처네 안 남기지 가르에지 시데스네 장도 남기디기스네 장도 따디 가르에 차리야 딱 간다 곰냠네 차데 그 털렁으로 찍차디 와래 드린 주산에 따지당기 남배게 나는 곰주냠네 차게 따지 그바 교체로디 띵사버셰빈다 띵사버시다 샤여데 비치도스레 다 예비네야 다 네급질이야 나란 소리야 다 망버질이야 다 간다 지 드리지 지 타바 된도냐 다 탐지케 바 된도냐 다 진짜기 바지 처리르지 안 참말로 바지 매외소르지 다 네급질이야 지 수수 셈기 강해서 알아보다 안 다는 신기 지 셈리 시디 중요하고 딘디지가 아주 되냐로든 체리 알아 딘디산데 딘디질이양 그 공념낸 토안에 딘딘지 가르다 그런게 팽역이 차라는지 또 차게 빈두산에 딘딘지 아주 뒤지 총비미네 딘디지 무투이네 지 가르에 다 간다 exercise로 체체 엔지 정다를 체위미나 안 딘딘 배도 용어를 삼정도 반응하라는 지미네 땅아란지 로충규 다 로드네 안 까마베 센터 토브레 까마베 센터네 다 기부 사드 깔아 가버시 다지 마체 두부 통하르시 마체 지 강에 태하르시 드리지샤 제가 드리지가 나로래 차론 중내 중부 인두산에 아니 아주 곰냠내 되게 미세 수술이야 펜도용 되게 해지 시라냠내 체토요 말에 이미대야 제자부 되게 펜도 전부 용 되게 해지 근데 전화로 좀 소수야이
So actually, I think Rinpoche, it's difficult for me to continue teach like this until 11:30. In Tibet, we don't usually look at the watch; we just teach as long as the sun shines and continue. So, I don't know what much to say, but generally, so I think when we talk about the meditation practice, then it is about not directing our mind always towards the outside, but starting to direct it towards the inside and looking to the inside and finding happiness and joy within, peace and happiness and joy within. And for this, the practice of meditation is a very useful path of skillful means. And when we come to the Buddhist meditation, there's many different meditations, and it can be very profound. When we want to go profound, it is very profound. But for the moment, for many of us, we don't really now look for the state of liberation, nirvana, or the state of omniscience, of Buddhahood awakening, and we rather want to like temporary difficulties we have in our mind, and want to get dispel them and obtain happiness and peace in our mind. So for this, the practice of meditation, I think, is very useful, is very beneficial, has a lot of benefits and good qualities, a useful tool for that. And this is something we should continuously practice, not just one time, but continuously practice.
아니 아주다 모두는 지티고 셰아르체 안 조드다 녜게 수수 개기 다 당기 공도 쉬는 신기 안 장수 망부지기 배징에 가슈에 꼴이야 시라 규 아이나 섬정도 계시 하고 아이나 생아 루주고 스토리 리스타싱가 아이나 섬 대 셰비네 official 디조마다베 personal 디조라 장수 긴가마르 섬정도 제자는 지전라 동원 지 personal 가주에다지 스토리 주제 안디도하는 지 수술이야지 곰단 냠량 단 제베 토네 펜도르 컨디션때 간수지 쇼고만로 섬도스 정도 안 게시 다다 지 주어지는샤 두주 예다메 저디 예다메 사디 아디다 하고 문도도 이미나 게시 예베 이미나 아는 건다지 주어지는 제비미나
So, I think that's it for now, for today, and we'll continue in the afternoon. And so all of you probably know my history, and you know the official story of Karmapa, of me. But I think what you don't know is the unofficial story, my personal story, experience of how I lived that. So I think in the afternoon I will maybe talk about my personal experience of being a Karmapa and how the meditation and practice was beneficial in my life in this way. And so I think I will still talk about that. And if there is time then for question or answer, I don't know if there is, but if, then I think it is good. Thank you very much.